Good morning and happy Teen Thursday. It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and this week we are doing a teen STEM project called Peeps Slime. So we are going to make some slime using Peeps. So if you have picked up your free Take and Make kit from Columbus Library or Saluda Library, then you are ready to follow along. So inside your kit, you have 5 Peeps. And there'll be 2 different colors because I thought it would be fun to have multicolored slime. You will have a little container of vegetable oil, and you'll have a little bag of cornstarch. So the other things you will need to do this project are a bowl, a tablespoon, measuring spoon, and a microwave. So the first step, we are going to take our 5 Peeps and we're going to put them in our bowl. And then I did not pre-measure out the oil or the cornstarch in your bag, so you will need to measure those. So you're going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the bowl with your Peeps. And another thing you might want for this project is gloves, because the Peeps are very hot when they come out of the microwave. So you don't want to burn yourself. This is one of the reasons I didn't make this a kid STEM project, because we don't want you handling such hot material. So make sure you have an adult with you, and some gloves might also help if you want to mix up your slime by hand. You can also use a spoon, but the slime does tend to really stick to the spoon at the beginning, so I would use a plastic spoon instead of a reusable silver spoon. All right, we have our Peeps and we have our vegetable oil. So now we are going to microwave this for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. All right, so I went and I washed my tablespoon that I use for oil, because next we're going to use it for cornstarch. I got some gloves and I microwaved my oil and Peeps. And if you were taking a little peek in the microwave while it was heating them up, you might have seen that they really expanded. So the Peeps are really hot right now. So you might want to do a few things so you don't burn your hands. You might want to put on gloves. If you want to touch it with your hands, you might want to use a plastic spoon, or you might want to let it cool off just a little bit. All right, so here is where our experiment comes in. We're going to see how many tablespoons of cornstarch we want to use to make this mixture slime. If we use too many, it's going to get really hard. We don't want that. We want it to be nice and pliable. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm going to put that in there. And the gloves are definitely helping with the heat of the slime. They are sticking to my gloves a little bit. All right, so that is a nice, like, fluffy slime. When I did this experiment the last time, not on video, I used 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and it did get really hard. So 1 tablespoon seems to be doing pretty well. And I love my beautiful pink and purple slime. And I think it's funny, there are these little chocolate bits from the Peeps' eyes that melt into there. So I think we could use it as a tablespoon. Maybe add a little more cornstarch if you want. You could try 2 tablespoons. But you have some lovely edible, because it's only things you can eat in there, Peeps and cornstarch and oil, although I don't know how yummy it would taste. Slime. Have fun.